Well, welcome back. Can't believe it's week 6. We're already into October. Hope you guys have a good couple weeks being able to work in this class. And hopefully that this video will be useful to you for this week, and that we continue to work hard and get the things done that we need to. Like always, I have a funny video to kind of start out the thing. If you get a chance, you want to watch this, you can. I'm not going to play this during this video today because I kind of want to get to some important details to make sure that we're on the right track and we understand what we're doing. So I will have it linked to the checkpoint if you would like to watch it. It's a funny video. I don't know if you've seen it before, but it's just something that I've seen before, and it's kind of will make you laugh. So if you get a chance, you can watch that. First thing up is just some important info for this week. And weekly instructional videos are important. So the thing that I'm showing today is important because next Monday we'll start our weekly lesson, and I'll run through that. And that becomes, again, 10% of your overall grade. But on top of that, for the week, I'm going to teach important content. Maybe there's a topic that we struggle with or things that you need to understand. So if you guys aren't in here watching these videos, then you don't know what's going on for the week. These lessons that we're going to start doing will enhance your learning, and it gives you some more resources and feedback to be able to complete the unit each week. So I have there, you need to watch the video and complete the checkpoint. So there's going to be a video with this that just like we are now, and then there'll be a checkpoint. Just like last week, there were some problems for you to work on, and this week would be the same thing. So we got to kind of practice getting in there now or start working on this so that when next Monday comes and we start a weekly lesson, that we kind of know what's expected. So make sure that we're getting there, watching those. Weekly instructional lessons will start next Monday, 10/7. And then you need to start working. I know some of you that have, which is awesome. You've taken the diagnostic, you requested a content assessment, on the review, power focus, and we kind of move forward. But some of you are still kind of not actively engaged in the lesson thus far. And another thing you could be doing again is watching these videos. We're already on week 6. So if you haven't watched the last couple of weeks, you're 3 weeks behind. And sometimes it's harder to catch up than trying to stay forward. And again, the pacing guide that I've given you is linked here. And again, it's linked on week 5 in your unit. Again, the pacing guide is for you as a kind of a resource for you to follow. It's not mandatory. It's not something you have to complete each day. I'm not checking, but it's going to keep you on pace for that end of the unit due date, which is 10/25. And again, tomorrow is the first day of October, so already in the month of October. So to kind of keep things rolling and moving along is important. We are currently on, again, September 30th, Monday, and I do have you guys working through the power focus areas first to get that content, which is important. So if you have not started the review power focus area from the first week, that's something you should be working on. And then you guys can kind of move into negative numbers, order and rational numbers, and then order of operations. There's a lot of power focus areas in this first week. So I'd like to get you to get into those first and complete those before we get into the unit. But again, you could be in the unit watching these videos and make sure that you understand what's going on. So again, I implore you to start working in the unit this week and to start getting into those power focus areas and to get that content. If you're confused, I know some of you thought our videos would be in Google Classroom. Again, they're not going to be that way this year. They're going to be right into the Summit Learning platform. And I kind of put an arrow there showing you what it's going to look like on the left. When you enter the unit, you'll see these weekly instructional lessons. So this week will be week 6, weekly instructional lesson. And then from then on, it'll be the number that's designated for that week. This will happen in every unit that we do. You will find them embedded right here. And then when you click on them, all right, it's just like any kind of cool down. All right, you'll go up there where the arrow is and you'll click that link right there, and that'll take you to a document that I have created for you. Again, this week will be some more problems to work on. And then next week will be your actual lesson plan that we'll kind of run through. But this is where you'll find everything. And then resources for everyone. My video link will be there, the slides and the graphic organizer, just in case that link is not working or something is going on. But that's the link. You click right there to get into the activity that shows that you watched the video and you've been actively engaged in the lesson. What should I be working on? I think I shared this last week. You need to be working on the review power focus area. If you have not taken the diagnostic, you need to. If not, request a content assessment and see how you do. And then after that, you can move on from there, taking notes, working through your playlist, and then ask for another content assessment if you need to. If finished, you can continue on to the negative numbers power focus area. So again, we're not just kind of stopping, we're continuing because we need to kind of move through this unit, and then follow the PACE guide for help. Again, it's not mandatory, but something there as a resource for you to use to keep you on track. What to do this week? Again, for those that have not started into the unit yet, I implore you to do so. Take the diagnostic on the review and then request the content assessment for it. That would be my goal for this week for you. If you have and didn't do so well, look at the playlist, use the graphic organizer that I gave you and start taking some notes, and then request it a second time. You need to be making sure that you're in the unit each day and either, taking the content, looking at some resources, requesting, doing different things, but make sure that you're in there and starting it this week. And then set goals for the week now. Start Monday. Monday, set goals each day that you're going to work on something. I know some of you, we've been working through those, and I know some of you have started goals, which is awesome. And we need to continue that each week because it helps us keep on track as well. And here's the thing I want to leave you with. It says every day you have an opportunity to grow yourself, to become better, work hard, train harder, and make each day count. Each day is an opportunity for you to grow. All right, and that's getting into a habit of working on not just the math, but every subject, working on something each day. We are kind of a unique situation. You get to work from home 24/7. But sometimes when you have that set time each day that you're going to work on a subject, it makes everything just a little bit easier, and it keeps you focused and it keeps you on track of where you need to be in each class. So again, I implore you to get into this unit this week, start watching these videos, get in the content assessment. If you have any questions, you can send me a Hangout email and we can Zoom to help you figure it out. So have a great rest of the week. Keep working hard. And I'm excited for you to continue to grow.